In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets on Book My Show. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are able to make your very own listings in Book My Show. To do this, visit the website and look for the option to promote your events. So as you can see, it is available on this page. So list your show. When you click on this option, you will be redirected here and you will see this page introducing you to the option to manage and host your own events here. As the purveyor of entertainment, Book My Show enables your event with end-to-end solutions from the time you register to the completion of the event. So you have the option to host performances, experiences, expositions, parties, sports, conferences, and so on. So all that you have to do here is click on the option to list your show. The very first thing that you have to do now is log into your account. Now, sadly, I don't have an account set up to use here as a demonstration. However, you will be able to sign in and go through the process. There is no secret to this. It is extremely intuitive, and like I said before, you are able to host all of these sorts of events, and these are the services that they have. Online sales and marketing, they will allow you to change and manage the pricing, food, beverages, stalls, and the works, ground support, gate entry management, reports and business insights, and so on. So this tool is wonderful for booking and consequently managing your events through Book My Show. Sign in with your account, go through the process, and you will be able to input all of the details about your event. If you still need additional help, click on the option to contact us today here, and they will tell you more about this process and how it works. So talk to the customer support if needed, but you will be able to host your very own show. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.